Hey there, I'm Nathan, the founder of GPT Workspace, the Chrome extension that supercharges your sheets, docs, and slides with the power of Chat GPT. Today, I'm excited to show you how GPT Workspace can turn your Google Sheets data into insightful analyses. So, let's dive into our business metrics and uncover some valuable insights together. Here, we have a Google Sheet filled with crucial business metrics, but analyzing these raw numbers can be daunting. That's where GPT Workspace steps in. Let's activate GPT Workspace and use the Analyze a Data feature. I'll use the prompt, Analyze trends over the quarters. Watch as GPT Workspace works its magic. Look at this. It's highlighting a slowing growth rate in revenue, pointing out an unexpected hike in expenses during Q3, and providing an overview of all financial data. These are the kinds of insights that could help us make more informed decisions. But we're not stopping there. We need a deeper understanding of our business. With a second prompt, I'm going to ask GPT Workspace to calculate some additional metrics. And just like that, GPT Workspace delivers new metrics. These aren't just numbers. GPT Workspace explains how these metrics affect our business model. There you have it. GPT Workspace transforms complex data analysis into a simple and insightful conversation. And this is just one example of what GPT Workspace can do. There's a whole suite of features designed to enhance your productivity and decision-making processes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you won't miss out on any updates. Want to give GPT Workspace a try? Check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. This is Nathan from GPT Workspace signing off. See you in your workspace.